This video looks at editing results and editing pipe data. So first of all, having calculated the pipe runs, run the calculation. If you want to know the results on each section of pipe, display results allows you to then select each independent piece of pipework where you get the size, flow, section pressure drop, velocity and the unit pressure drop for comparison purposes. So we were designing to 240 pascals per metre. The results command stays active. Note the bottom left corner. So if I pick another piece of pipe, that then displays the results for that separate piece of pipe. Notice the highlighted pipework is in green when you select it. If I press escape, cancel the results command. If I wish to fix a pipe size or manipulate any of the data on that specific pipe run itself, double clicking on the pipe run brings up the information on the pipework. So I can change the pipe type from the pull down to a different pipe type. I can change the insulation type on this run or even remove it. I can fix the pipe size. If I wanted to, and I knew there was an obstruction that required an extra number of bends, I can add the number of bends in. Now totaling, if I want to add 4 bends in, I've now got a total of 2 already. I'll make that a total of 6. So I might have a downstand under a beam, which I may not have taken into consideration. So if you've got many beams, if you're just doing 2D layouts, then you don't necessarily need to show each bend as it's going to be actually installed in a BIM environment. You can get away with just putting the number of bends and fittings in to get your hydraulic resistances correct. If you were exporting to Revit, then you would want to change every change of direction by actually doing it when routing the pipework. Pipe lengths can also be changed. You can also add additional pressure drops in the form of a K factor or a kPa. So if you've got a fitting on there, a heat exchanger for example, you could put the pressure drop in kPa across the heat exchanger. Run the calculation again for a second time. And we'll see our pipe size is changed.